Let's go.
Battle Royale.
We get it,
Prison
KD.
roof.
Let's get it, Harry.
Let's get it, doggy. Prison roof.
Stop down, KD.
Snow,
Let's
what
stop
up?
down,
Turn on the
KD.
mic, Snow. We're gonna need you.
Alright lads, let's get it done. Bounty target identified. Slot them off.
Here.
Enemy UAV overhead.
You guys have trouble or what?
Be advised, enemy team is tracking your location.
Alright. One on the stairwell. Look, right above me. Look, right below me.
Jump down, he's jump down.
Yeah, he's a bitch.
Got a camera over here.
Oh, he just killed the homie, dude. Whoa, the homie had a bunch of cash. You mean yellow?
Sorry. Yeah, my station.
Going this way.
They went inside.
They're mad. I just wasted their homie. Look at shootout. Oh, you the guy wait. You're fucking pissed, dude. I'm telling you, bro. Helicopter king in the motherfucking house, bro.
They got me.
What the
In the
fuck?
window, watch out. Window, Splitty, watch out. Splitty, I'm dropping my cash by the ladder, bro. I'm gonna fucking kamikaze these motherfuckers. Ready?
Peanut butter in it.
You're still inside, yellow. He's dropping on the buy. He's dropping on the buy. He ran back in. Airstrike. Watch out, guys. Watch out.
Oh, he's right here. Oh, he's right here, he's right here, he's right here.
Helicopter king, bitch. Oh, I downed myself. What the fuck is this, dude?
Get ready.
Whoa. Nice, Splitty. United, bro.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? You need shields, bro? You thought you were dead,
Oh,
didn't you?
somebody backside,
what the
backside,
fuck?
backside.
Light.
Next round's on you.
Hold on, I'm picking her up, dude. Cover. It's by the stairwell.
Another one landing on
Oh, right here. He's at my ping behind the AC. He's right there behind the AC. He fell down.
Oh, he fell.
Be more planted.
Who's shooting?
KB, put on shields.
Be advised.
Tower, they're coming from tower right now on you, on your left, KB. Oh shit, tower. Tower 2, watch out, watch your head, watch your head.
To the left.
Good to go.
Yeah, he's still on top of the
Enemy
tower.
UAV overhead.
Oh my god, dude.
Where's the loadout?
Control. I'm gonna go to security and get the chopper and take these fucking cornballs out, bro. Ooh, there's an enemy loadout down here, dude. Oh shit, they're all out there, bro. Look at this shit. Oh shit.
Tango
Oh
front.
shit.
Mark the target location.
Oh shit, shit.
Tango front.
Oh,
Mark the target location.
whole bunch of them, bro.
Contract time expired.
I'm marking them in front of control. Like, yeah, over there. Yeah. Whole bunch of bitches, dude. I'm telling you, bro.
Running out. Get to the
You guys okay? You see anything yet?
Oh, they're getting a loadout over here. The living
I see
quarters.
movement.
I hear.
The enemy team is hunting you. Stay alert.
You guys
Ah,
I
dang.
see movement.
work, Kimmy?
Oh, fuck. In the
Enemy
Wait,
UAV
yellow
yellow
overhead.
container.
Oh, fucking C4'd me or something. Oh my god, dude. What the fuck did he kill me with? Yep.
How is my Volano gonna beam this dude next?
Dude, I was coming to kill that guy, dude. I was so close to him. Threw a fucking C4 at me. He leaves this cornball as a C4.
Stay alive, bro.
It's over, dude. This guy's a cornball. Look at him. Okay. Okay.
Cornball, let's get it.
Damn. Take it back.
Mr. Snow?
Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh, right here.
There's one up there to your left, dude. I think. They're in security or control shooting at me too.
Yeah, second floor security. Sound crossing to the
Is he
big
looking
building.
over here? I need shields. Oh yeah, he's fucking banging.
To the right of the
He's right there in front. Oh, the whole team's in front of the buy. Right there. Whole team. Nice, KD. 38. Nice, dude. Ooh, keep banging. There's one where you threw the nade, dude. You almost hit him.
Closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you almost hit him.
Fire sale is active. Life station. Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh, come on. Get him off. You can't be so far. God, thanks. Right when I got my weapon. Oh, shit.
I got pinned,
Oh,
I got
no.
pinned.
From behind, baby. Oh, no. Damn, you were doing good.
Damn!
KB was fucking... Dude, you're clutching up, dude. You got like 3 of them out there. You're like... Wow. That's fucking crazy. What gun are you using, PKM?
Be changing it.
Wow. Aficionado, huh? That's crazy. Mr. Bash.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be
941.
deployed shortly.
Number 941. Yeah?
Mr. Bash with the follow.
Yes, sir.
The area. Watch the skies.
No, I got
Told
it.
you.
I'm in the sight. Enemy dropping into the AO. Dropping into the AO. Warm up done. Time to kick this off.
Go.
You ready to go? Prison roof.
Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Gas is closing on your
Prison roof.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
They're all by the light tower side.
Alright, hold on. I broke my legs.
I broke my leg.
Broke my legs. Oh, I did it again. Amazing. How do you do it? Jumped off the rock. Ooh, 2 ammo boxes.
Yeah, no.
Wow.
Dropping ammo.
You guys are in deep shit, huh? They're all landing on the stairwell. You
We're
notice
good,
how
we're
Splitty
good,
didn't
we're
give
good,
us
we're
no call outs.
enemies here.
To the left, to the left.
There you go.
Ooh, in the middle. He went right, left, in the middle. So broken.
Watching
One
door.
standing behind us. Landing by Splitty. You got 2 on you, Splitty.
Watch the side.
Fucking pussy.
Right here. Broken. He's broken. I got the other one too. Right here on the door. Across the way. Across the way. Coming in. There's 2 of them. 2 of them. Come in. Split. Split. Split, kid. Split.
Gimme, 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 gimme. Oh. Fuck.
He's outside.
Oh.
Get to the target.
Another one landed? Shit. Oh, wait.
He's on top of your roof.
Hostile dropping into the area. Gas is moving.
I can't go.
Watch out. They're dropping in. Let's go to the stairwell side. Ready?
Yeah.
Where are they at?
Stop ammunition.
Ooh, nice.
Now they're dropping water thing on tower.
Alright.
Oh, right here. What the fuck? Right here, right here, right here, right here. Fuck, man. Fuck. Can't finish a kill, man.
Where'd he go? I just fucking shot the fuck out of this bitch.
Put it right inside a hole, bro.
Oh my god, dude. This guy should have been dead,
I shot him with a fucking AR, bro. So I don't know how he didn't go down.
UAV entering the AO.
Did you see me shoot the fuck out of this guy, dude? Oh my god.
Shot him with the big ass gun.
Probably down.
They're beneath us.
Only 25 left. Keep up the good work. You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Thermite going out.
UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for
Ice stations right here.
They're down there, dude. I see dots all around us, bro.
Gas is moving in.
Oh,
New safe
cluster.
zone located.
Trophy up and running.
Enemy cluster strike incoming. Take cover. Enemy soldier incoming. Contract time expired. Stand down.
Shit, gun, water tower. Water tower side.
Zip line, air conditioner.
We got a figure ass, chicken ass, chicken ass. Got you, KB.
He jumped off, he jumped off. I fucking banged him.
Enemies here.
Priming AT mine.
Watching door, watching door.
He's in the courtyard. He's outside the courtyard.
Enemies here. Priming a teammate.
He's outside the courtyard.
Target has been hostile.
Look, he's right there. Down him. Look.
Oh, dude, that was my fucking kill, bro. God,
Hey, but I called it first, bro.
shut your bitch ass.
Whose call is? Whose kill is it? Huh? Really?
Oh, I got pinged. I got hit from Island. Be careful.
Confirming hostile.
Losing ground.
I hit someone with the mine right there on the zip line.
What
Two of them.
the fuck? Zip line.
Two of them over there.
Why? What's that mean?
Two of them.
Should I tap?
No, come on. There's two of them, sweetie. I broke one of them.
Targeting me.
Oh, he's to my right, sweetie.
Zip line.
Oh, nice. I broke him with the mine, dude. Beautiful. Thank you, bro.
Got you, brother.
Dude, that was my kill. I hit him with the mine.
Haha, chill.
Teamwork, bro. Don't matter who's killed.
I need one more to catch
They're
up to
targeting
me.
me.
Right there at the bottom, running to Island.
One more to catch up to me. Hey, whose team you on, dude?
No, it's a two guys.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Underneath me on the ladder? He's right underneath the stairwell on you guys here. Where's that, bro?
There?
He was in the building, I didn't know.
What building? What the fuck?
The building that you went into a second ago.
Moving
He
here.
ain't going to building, bro.
New safe zone located.
Oh,
I need
the
to
building
go.
you're going into.
Supply box marked. Secure.
Moving the
Fire sale
staircase.
is active. Supply station costs are adjusted.
He's coming up. He's
Enemy
coming
team
up.
is tracking your position.
He missed it. He's in the staircase. Oh,
What? Oh my god, dude. Broken. There's two of them. Dude, I threw the thermite through. Too higher.
oh,
This is the weird gun.
let's go.
Nice, buddy.
Nice, buddy.
That claymore came in clutch.
Nice. That was my claymore. That was my kill.
Oh, right behind me. Fucking over here, right there.
Cluster strike incoming. Take cover.
Can you kill me?
Damn, I'm trying to jump. Dude, they got a lot of claymores. You know, fucking rush
Going
yourself.
down. I'm gonna get all this shit. Oh,
I'm gonna
oh,
drop right
gas.
now.
Oh,
I'm going to the tower. Alright, loadout's right outside. Look at that.
oh, blast.
Watch it, watch it.
Cluster strike
We're being
incoming.
striked.
Take cover.
Cody.
They're in the building next to us, KB, to our left.
Another.
I'm going to 10, it's on your right.
We lost the objective.
Oh, they're behind you,
Oh,
KB.
he's like behind
I'm dying.
us. I don't see him.
I think he went down. I'm not sure.
Oh, I got him. Two down. Okay.
I got him.
Oh,
Oh, one more behind me. Are you serious, dude?
He's dead, bro. He has to be dead. That guy that shot you.
Three more to catch up to.
Bounty contract located. Supply line contract here.
Where did this guy fucking just comes in and whack you? Fucking, that's amazing. Somebody pick me up.
I didn't even know what was there.
That's crazy.
Where you at? Right here. Careful, you got loaded. Back to the right of you, to the right of you. Right here, jump in.
Oh, I fell out. I'm sorry. Come back.
Less than 10 enemies remain.
Jump in. This is smart, bro.
Hey, wait. Hold.
I'm holding.
Wait. He's in that trailer where the reload is.
Good, bro.
I don't know how to reload without jumping out of the chopper, bro. Fuck.
Only 4 enemies remain. You know what to do.
We're in the gas. We're in the area, bro. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. I can't really hit him. I ain't got a visual on that trailer, dude. Give me a visual on that shit. Put the nose towards it. Yeah, there
We
you go.
only got
Right there.
2 left
Right there.
with 3 teams.
Right there. If they start shooting, glide to the left, dude, okay?
Gas is moving.
Alright.
Section's far. Let's move.
Oh, there he is. Right here. He's over here. See that?
Target location.
Yeah, I see him. That's the best driver,
I'm broken.
bro. For you.
Oh, shit.
Alright, we're good right here.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Hold. I can't see anything.
Gas
I'm gonna die if you keep doing that. Hold on. You're
I'm
good?
sorry.
I
I'm
know.
not the best driver.
Just circle around the fucking thing. Look on the map. Don't put me in it. I have no
One
shields.
left.
I got you.
One left.
We're gonna have to crash into him.
Hopefully this shit works. Good.
Oh, he's in that fucking little building where the yellow mark is, I think, bro.
Gas
We need to
moving
get
in.
to the safe zone.
I'm not sure. I can't see right now.
The circle's moving.
Yeah, there he is.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit.
Right there. He's broke.
Yeah! One shot fucking pistol.
I told you.
I switched to that pistol, bro. Good shit, buddy. He looked at me with this stare. Oh! Ooh, good shit, Slitty. Teamwork of the year, dude. Oh my god.
I told you gonna get a dub, dude. I told you.
I ran out of ammo, bro. This guy didn't say shit the whole fucking time. Suzuki, you don't say nothing. Oh my god, bro. Wow, you just witnessed perfection. Hey, you like that one-shot pistol
Aim
time?
high.
Lying in a bucket,
Aim high
fucking
TV.
pussy.
Aim high TV, bro.
Fucking pussy.
It's all good. It's all good. I'll be mad if I got pistol.
That's a good one. Good game.
Good game, bro. Good game. Hey, chill out, bro. Good game.
Boy, y'all got
Hey, that was awesome.
I'm so pissed, dude. Nah.
You know we're talking shit. I got